Thoroughly mix the NCB grout. Using a stainless steel trowel, apply the NCB grout over the prepared substrate and allow to dry for at least 24 hours. Remove any ridges or high spots with a sharp trowel. Lay out the wall following the custom brick application instructions. Prior to removing the backing from the template, check the positioning of the template against the wall. Remove the backing from the template and position one side of the template against the outer corner plumb line and the horizontal layout line at the base of the wall. Tape all butting template joints. Adhere only the amount to be top coated that day. Lightly go over the templates with a round-edged, flexible trowel. Mix the finish thoroughly. Using a flexible end, round, stainless steel trowel, apply the custom brick finish over the templates, keeping material in the molds flush with the top surface of the templates. An impressed texture appearance may be developed on the surface of the freshly applied custom brick finish by use of a texture roller. Shading can be applied using demanded smooth coating prior to removing the templates. Carefully remove the templates, avoiding jagged edges. If any finish has seeped under the templates, use a half-inch edging tool to clean out the joint. Then apply a small amount of the NCB grout and touch up with a small paintbrush.